Now, I told you I was going to taste it. I like cinnamon. Hope you like cinnamon. Put it off. Hold on. Let me get a better one because I don't want y'all thinking that I was out there lying and faking. Have you ever heard of cinnamon basil? Most people haven't. And honestly, I didn't know much about it until I started researching Southeast Asian herbs. Basil's that familiar thing you know. It's warm, but this has this thing underneath it. It just tastes like cinnamon. It's clove. It makes you want to stop. The color is a reddish purple, lavender. It's one of the prettiest plants out here in the garden. Now, you're not going to find this at your Walmart or your Homeland or other grocery stores. No hate to them, but this is the kind of herb that your grandmother had in her garden, and she knew exactly what she was doing and why it mattered. People have been using basil medicinally for a long time. It supports digestion, it has antimicrobial properties, it's rich in antioxidants. People brew it for teeth, for respiratory congestion, to help, and also to help manage their blood sugar. It's not just a pretty herb, it's an herb that we have out here that has a purpose. Now, there's something else you may not know. Cinnamon basil starts flowering. They started flowering this week, what you see here at the top. And so what you want to do is you want to pinch the top, and that process is called deadheading. Because when you pinch the top, that means it's saying, you know what, put the energy back into the leaves because you don't want this to start seed producing. So this is what it looks like. So it looks beautiful, purple, smells great. You do not want to throw this away because it's completely edible. Same warm cinnamon spice, just more delicious. Use it as a garnish on a cocktail, drop it in your tea, finish at a dessert, float them in some infused oils. Nothing on this farm goes to waste because we are herbicide-free, pesticide-free, no harmful synthetic fertilizers used here on this farm. When you buy herbs and plants and vegetables from us, nothing's stripped out. You get the full plant. Cinnamon basil is coming this summer, and this year you don't have to wait. We've been listening to what people are saying, so you can go to our newest platform at growvi.tech. You can see what's growing, what's coming, and order it straight from the farm before driving all the way out to the dispenser, and it's not here. You can order it, pay for it, reserve it, get it at growvi.tech. Now, I told you I was going to taste it. I like cinnamon. Hope you like cinnamon. Put it off. Hold on. Let me get a better one because I don't want y'all thinking that I was out there lying and faking. Ripped it off. I'm going to show y'all I got it. See? Get you a better one. I'm going to be cinnamon now. Till later. I love cinnamon. Get you some cinnamon basil. Just go to the platform, growvi.tech, and make sure you're still staying connected to us. Follow us on social media. Join our newsletter. Go to growingforgoodfarm.com.